Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nia Kasbiani. I'm from English Department in Madako University. I will read the Legend of Lutung Kasarung with the aim of completing pronunciation text. Lutung Kasarung. Once upon a time in Tatar Pasundan, there is a kingdom that led by a wise king. He is known as Prabu Trit. Prabu Tapa Agung has two beautiful daughters, namely Purbarang and Purbasari sister. Upon approaching the end of his life, King Supreme fought pride, wanting her youngest daughter, Purbasari, as a replacement. I was too old, it's time I abdicate, said Prabu Tapa. Purbasari had a brother named Purbararang. He appointed his younger brother recently replaced their father. I am the oldest daughter. Suppose father choose me as his successor. Crossing Purbarang on his fiancé named Indrajaya, Kegaramannya already have the attention to make it hard pick his younger brother. He encountered a grandmother magic for Memantari Purbasari. Grandma magic put a spell on Purbasari so that time suddenly becomes black leather Purbasari. Purbarang so have reason to evict his sister. People who are condemned like him unworthy of being a queen, said Purbarang. Then he sent a minister to isolate Purbasari to a forest. Once in the forest, the fisher still can enough with making a contact to Purbasari. He also advised Purbasari. But the master of the princess, this order will curse come to end, and the amity will surely always be with princess. Thank you, uncle, says Purbasari. During his time in the jungle, he had a lot of friends, that is, the animals that are always good to him. Among the animals, there is a mysterious black-haired ape, but the ape that is the most attention, the Purbasari. Lutung Kasarung is always exhilarating Purbasari with flowers, get a beautiful flowers and fruit along with his friends. On the night of the full moon, Lutung Kasarung behaved well. He walked to a quiet place and the medicate. She was begging for something to the goods. Lutung Kasarung proposed that this is not an ordinary beings. Shortly, their father, the late Nar, Lutung brings and creating a small lake. The weather is clear. The weather contains a drug that is very fragrant. Lutung Kasarung next day escorted Purbasari and asked her to bathe in the lake. What are the benefits to me? Think Purbasari. But he was willing to comply. Shortly after he only himself. Something happened on his skin. His skin became clean as before, and it became beautiful again. Purbasari was very surprised and excited when he reflected in the lake. And the palace, Purbararang decided to see his brother in the forest. He went with his fiancé and his bodyguard. When he arrived in the forest, he finally met with his sister and looked at each other. Purbararang could not believe seeing her sister back as before. Purbararang did not want to lose face. He invites Purbasari before her lake. Who is the most long hair? He is whining, said Purbararang. Purbasari was initially unwilling, but because his older brother Melodani he argued continued, it turned out there as longer Purbasari. Well, I was lost, but no less handsome fiancé kids us. This is my fiancé, said Purbarang while approaching to Indrajaya. Purbasari started to fidget and confusion. Finally, he glanced at the interesting young Lutung Kasarung. Lutung Kasarung bobbing as if to shoot Purbasari. Purbararang longing out loud, so the monkey your friends. At the time also Lutung Kasarung stood to meditate. All of a sudden happened a miracle. Lutung Kasarung changed into a dashing young man, very handsome face. More than Indrajaya, all were surprised to see the incident as cheered. Purbararang finally admitted his defeat and his guilt over this. He apologized to his younger brother, begged not to be punished. Purbasari that can forgiving them. After the event that eventually all of them back to the place. Purbasari to be a queen. Guilt over this. His apologies to his younger brother begged not to be punished. Purbasari that can forgiving them after the event that eventually all of them back to the palace. Purbasari to be a queen, accompanied by a young Idaman. The young man who turned out to be he has always been accompanying in the form of a lutung. So many stories from me, more and less. I apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.